Yo, what's up guys? I'm back after 1 year. I've been studying, alright. But today we are gonna be reacting to KANYE West. Okay, let's get to it guys. Right, make sure to subscribe and like.
Don't you, 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 don't you. Young.
Oh, that was so tough. Look at thunder coming out of the casket. Oh, so tough, so tough.
Rich nigga got trap routine. Bad little bitches won't lick on me. Moving like a YN when I was 16. Smoking that weed and trapping out houses. Back of the lack and I'm higher than a mountain. Drink codeine, got it coming out of fountain. What you finna do for that allowance? Bags on the floor, counting. I'm going through, finna come out counting. Running through a dry, I doubt it. You wanna get money, I'm about it. Okay, okay, okay. I drag you in the street. Okay, okay, okay. I just right on that beat. Okay, okay. I drag you in the street.
Oh, that was so tough. But I'm gonna go like that. Okay, wait first guys. I'm coming back. Alright, wait. Shit, oh my days, that shit was good. So I go to this shit right here. Oh.
Okay, okay. I just right on the beat. Okay, okay. I drag you in the street. Okay, okay. I just right on the beat. Let me see where we at tonight.
Returns to my soul.
We could bring this back to life. Thought that I couldn't, you should be embarrassed. Their egos is threatened, they really should cherish. Too many excuses, I don't wanna hear it. Don't call it a patio, bitch, it's a terrace. We finna make us a killing that's worth to my days. They try to play me as a villain and color me bad. I noticed the jealousy peaking, I thought we was past this. This type of exposure's indecent, these niggas is classless. I bet on myself when the labels thought I was a bad risk. The money that I had invested is doing gymnastics. This what we need, this type of engine don't run off of greed. They music ain't big as my songs at elite. They need some assistance, you call the police. F all the talking is cheap. How many cops why they call it a fleet? Living the stars in the comments and medias, out in that kid, you comment on me.
That's that good here. That's a shit. That's a shit. Oh my god! She banger, bro. She a banger. You know what else is a banger? Field Trip by KANYE West is a banger.
CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. 12 hours of oil control. Stronger skin barrier from day one.
I really don't want to say anything because I... Oh shit, my bad.
This ain't cheddar, this quiche. That baby not real, it's not him. Send him a letter or kill him. Close that boy, don't wait dismissal. I done got too high, just a little. And on my mind, just a little. Red Lambo, red Skittle. 005 with criminal. I ain't about to y'all, about a missile. Tape on the gun, game missile. Tape on it. Shake on it. Shake on it. Shawty keep fucking my bones. Moving too fast, about to break something. Shawty keep out of my phone. You keep doing that, I'ma break something. Break something. Got it, bitch, to ready back. 30 seconds on my back. 30 seconds, I get up. Fuck it, just as I get up. Do it just as I get Whipping that bitch like a rental. 200 cash, my bitch say I'm mental. Medical plans, I'm all in the dental. You like a dog, I'm fresh out the kennel. Niggas say gas, they rollin' up fennel. Ain't on my level, little bitch, don't reach. Always hollering about you rich, we reach. This ain't no regular cheddar, this quiche. You ain't outside, I wish it was different. You ain't outside, I wish it was different.
I'm dragging my nuts, got my dick out the dirt. Put it right in her butt, got her twerking and turk. If that my little bitch, she gon' listen to dirt. In the trenches with her, been uncomfortable. I was crushing on you, now I'm fucking on you. Steady busting on you, now you love me. Haters gon' say you just want my little paper, but who ain't want a nigga with some money? Dick in her stomach, now I make her run. The foreign imported from Saudi Arabia. Like how you ride that dick like a gangster. Pray easy could turn the demon to an alien. My name just should've been tied. Cause dollar signs give my deal wet. Got a bitch high, shit out of her mind. Bail on the trip, I done took her to six flat. Got it, bitch, to ride it back. Rally seconds on my back. Do this just like you like. Fuck it just like you like. Do it just like you like. Take it just like you like. Call it just like you like. Ride it just like my back. Take her on a field trip. Take her on a ranch. Take her on a trip. Take her on a...
OMG. We gonna wrap this shit up right now. Oh my god. Well, thank you guys for watching this new video of me. I came back. I'm not coming back again lah, cause this shit is ass cheeks. Goodbye. Have a great day. Like it's up. Right here. Like it's up. Peace out, niggas.